Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to draw a process flow diagram in PowerPoint. So first, take a new slide and then go to views. In views you need to click guides. Okay, so first click guides. If you click guides, you'll be able to see some dotted lines, so it will be easy for us to draw. Next is go to insert and then go to shapes. In shapes, here you can see that there are like different types of shapes, but we are going to use flowchart. So let's go with the first shape, process, and then we're going to drop it here. So once you drop it here, you can actually change the size of this. Like if you see here, you can actually change the size, so you can make it smaller or bigger, however you want. Okay, so and then if you want to change the color, you can just click shape fill and then you can change the color. If you want to change it, yes, you can change it. So right now I'm going with blue, and then shape outline, you can click white. Okay, so that you don't have any outline. And then what you do is you do Control D. Okay, Control D, and then you put another box here. So to add the text, just click there and then you can write step 1, and then step 2, and then if you want to put another box, press Control D, then step 3. Okay, so and then if you want to change the shape, what you do is Control D, and then you just go to shapes, or you can see here edit shape, click on edit shape, and then you can change shape here. So let's change it to decision, then you can see here it automatically changes, right? So you can increase the size now, and then again if you want to add more process box, Control D, okay, step 1, step 2, step 3, then step 4, step 5. So now if you want to change colors, again click on this shape fill, click on this shape fill, okay, and then click on this, you want a different color, shape fill, okay. So you can put different shapes, colors, and add whatever text you want to add. Okay, so now we want to add yes or no. So because this is a decision box, right? So you want to add yes or no. So in that case, click insert text box, then you drop it near the decision box and then you put yes. Okay, and then insert text box, drop it here, then you can put no. Okay, so let me do one more time. Insert text box, no. So if it is like aligning in a different format, you can actually right click and then change it. Okay, Now it's fine now. So if you want to add one more box, Control D, then drop it here, and then we can do stop process or the end process, right? You can put it here. So, and then if you want to add arrows, insert, shapes, then you have lines here, so choose an arrow, then you can connect. Okay, and then now what you do is you click view, then remove the guides. Okay, and then if you want to change the size of an arrow, just right click and then go to format shape. So you will be able to see like what are the types of arrows here. So what is the size, color of the arrows. So if you want to choose black, you can choose black, increase the width, and then what type of arrows you want. Okay, you want any of these types. Okay, let's choose this. See, it changes accordingly. And then what you do, you can always like copy that, Control D, and then if you want, you can make it this way. Right click, format shape, so now I'm going to change another format. Okay, now let's connect with this arrow. Okay, so from here, if you want to from step 3, if you want to go to step 4, okay, without any validation, then in that case you connect from here to here. Okay, and then again if you press right click, you can like change all the types. Same way if you want to like add a connector. Okay, so insert, shapes, lines, and then from here to here. Okay, so if you want to like bypass the decision making box, and that could be some scenarios, right, in your process where you don't want the validation. So after step 3, it needs to go to step 4 or step 5. This is an example I'm telling. So how to like draw the different arrows. Now in case if you don't want this, you delete it. You just want a simple arrow. In that case, insert, shapes, arrow. That's it. Okay, it's very simple. Insert, shape, arrow. Okay, and then insert, shape, arrow. And then insert, shape, arrow. See, so you can align however you want, and then from here it needs to go to stop, right? Okay, so insert, shape, arrow. So this is a sample process flow diagram. So if I want to give an example, so if you want to create a process flow for your login page, okay, then you put like user logs in, then there should be a login name, username, and then there should be a password, and if both is correct, then what happens? Then you logins. Okay, the step 4 is login. If not, then we are going to like tell them like whether invalid username or invalid password or doesn't have an account, and then the process stops. So either the user logs in and it stops, or it is going to like not give them any access to login. So I'm just giving an example. So this is how you you draw a process flow diagram. And if you want to convert or paste this in Microsoft Word, then you need to go to search bar, search for snipping tool, new. If you click new, and then if you drag here, okay, so it will copy the diagram. Then you have to like, there is a copy button here, so click that, then open your Microsoft Word. And suppose if you are creating a BRD and if you want to copy a process flow diagram here, you copy it here. So once you copy it in Microsoft Word, you can't change the shapes and everything. So what you have to do is you need to always like draw the diagram here in PowerPoint, and you can make all the corrections here, and then you can just use the snipping tool to just like cut it. So I'll show it one more time. Open the snipping tool, open the snipping tool, and then press new. Okay, it will show you like how you need to cut. So right click and then cut the diagram, then go to copy, and then press copy, go to Microsoft Word. Okay, and then you can just copy that diagram, it will get copied. So when you're creating a BRD, if you want to create a process flow diagram and copy it in that BRD, so this is the easiest process. Okay, so because my PowerPoint has a lot of options, so you can change and edit, and then it's easy to copy and paste it in Microsoft Word. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching.